Biology MCQ 2024 Part 3. Which vitamin helps to prevent infections in the human body? Vitamin A, Vitamin B, Vitamin C, Vitamin D. The correct answer is option C. Vitamin C helps to prevent infections in the human body. What is the full form of DNA? Dual nucleic acid, dinucleic acid, dual nitrogen acid, deoxyribonucleic acid. The correct answer is option D. The full form of DNA is deoxyribonucleic acid. Which of the following carbohydrate is tasteless? Monosaccharide, oligosaccharide, polysaccharide, none of these. The correct answer is option C. Polysaccharide carbohydrate is tasteless. Which one of the following glands in the human body stores iodine? Parathyroid, thyroid, pituitary, adrenal. The correct answer is option B. Thyroid gland in the human body stores iodine. Photosynthesis takes place faster in yellow light, white light, red light, darkness. The correct answer is option B. Photosynthesis takes place faster in white light. The red color of human blood is due to myoglobin, hemoglobin, immunoglobin, hepatoglobin. The correct answer is option B. The red color of human blood is due to hemoglobin. Which one of the following does not secrete any digestive enzyme? Liver, salivary gland, glands of small intestine, pancreas. The correct answer is option A. Liver does not secrete any digestive enzyme. Which one of the following is the smallest endocrine gland in the human body? Adrenal, thyroid, pituitary, pancreas. The correct answer is option C. Pituitary gland is the smallest endocrine gland in the human body. Which of the following is an example of tissue? Brain, blood, liver, stomach. The correct answer is option B. Blood is an example of tissue. Most fish do not sink in water because of the presence of air cyanosis, scales on the body, swim bladder, none of these. The correct answer is option C. Most fish do not sink in water because of the presence of swim bladder. Typhoid fever is caused by virus, bacteria, fungus, allergy. The correct answer is option B. Typhoid fever is caused by bacteria. Which of the following kidney stones are most common? Calcium oxalate, calcium phosphate, uric acid, none of these. The correct answer is option A. Calcium oxalate kidney stone are most common. The longest part of the alimentary canal is small intestine, large intestine, esophagus, both A and B. The correct answer is option A. The longest part of the alimentary canal is the small intestine. Animals obtain carbohydrates mainly from glucose, starch, sucrose, glycogen. The correct answer is option B. Animals obtain carbohydrates mainly from glycogen. Lungs are spongy due to the presence of millions of air sacs, alveoli, bronchioles, bronchi. The correct answer is option B. Lungs are spongy due to the presence of millions of alveoli. Incomplete or imperfect digestion is known as obesity, dyspepsia, anorexia, none of these. The correct answer is option B. Incomplete or imperfect digestion is known as dyspepsia. These cells which are responsible for the production of antibodies are red blood cells, neutrophils, lymphocytes, platelets. The correct answer is option C. The cells which are responsible for the production of antibodies are lymphocytes. The largest white blood corpuscle is lymphocyte, monocyte, thrombocyte, erythrocyte. The correct answer is option B. The largest white blood corpuscle is monocyte. Plants absorb dissolved nitrates from soil and convert them into free nitrogen, urea, ammonia, proteins. The correct answer is option A. Plants absorb dissolved nitrates from soil and convert them into free nitrogen. Triglyceride is also known as natural lipid, neutral wax, none of these. The correct answer is option B. Triglyceride is also known as neutral lipid. A joint formed between humerus, radius and ulna is an example of immovable joint, slightly movable joint, freely movable joint, fibrous joint. The correct answer is option C. A joint formed between humerus, radius and ulna is an example of free movable joint. Lysosomes are known as suicidal bags because of their proteolytic enzymes, hydrolytic nucleus, hydrolytic enzymes, phagocytic activity. The correct answer is option C. Lysosomes are known as suicidal bags because of their hydrolytic enzymes. Which of the following is the full form of ATP? Adenosine tetraphosphate, adenine tetraphosphate, adenosine triphosphate, none of these. The correct answer is option C. The full form of ATP is adenosine triphosphate. The basic structural unit of a chromosome is centromere, nucleosome, telomere, histone. The correct answer is option B. The basic structural unit of a chromosome is nucleosome. Which among the following is also called as powerhouse of the cell? Plastids, mitochondria, Golgi bodies, cell wall. The correct answer is option B. Mitochondria is also called as powerhouse of the cell. What is the ultimate product of glycolysis? Ethyl alcohol, carbon dioxide, pyruvic acid, glucose. The correct answer is option C. Pyruvic acid is the ultimate product of glycolysis. Carbohydrates, fats and protein are essential for metabolic processes of an organism, providing energy, formation of structures, all of these. The correct answer is option D, all of these. Thanks for watching. Subscribe MCQ Challenger for latest informative MCQ.